In this tutorial, we are building a journey which creates Jira issues based on the new Typeform responses. So let's start. Select Typeform as a trigger. Then choose New Response Form as a trigger event. Click on Create New Connection. Enter name for the connection. Click on Link an Account. Accept the conditions to establish the connection. Select Appropriate Form. In steps, we have to create an Jira issue with Typeform response. Select Jira in steps. Then select Create Issue as an action. Click on Create New Connection. Click on Link an Account. Enter a connection name. For username, go to Jira. Then go to Profile. Copy email from Contact. To get token, click on the link in the description. Click on Manage Profiles. Then click on Security. Here you will get Create and Manage API tokens. Enter label and click on Create. Copy the API token. We will get subdomain in the Jira Atlassian URL. Then click on Link Account to establish the connection. Select Project Issue Type. Add Ticket Summary from App Data. Add Assignee Name. Copy Account ID from Profile URL. Save changes and start journey. To check the output, go to Typeform and submit a response. After this, go to our journey to check the journey execution. Yes, our journey is executed successfully. Now go to Jira. Refresh the page. We can see a new issue is created. So in this way, we can create an automation journey to create new Jira issue based on the Typeform responses. I hope you like this video. To know more and get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.